of a tractor. For example, into the man-made industry, if you use this little bit of the machinery or the combination of the machinery, which can be increasing the productivity of the human capital. So here investing on the human capital is one way increasing the productivity of the farm. To realize the profit, produce the goods and services at the cost of the lower price, and the market price for the goods and services are higher. So in that condition, profit is the thing, or the profit can be generated through the gap between the cost price and the market price. Profit is the money that left over the selling price of the goods or the services after the cost of buying the productive resources have been paid. Minimize the use of the scarce resources in the production, maximizing the productivity of the factor used in the production to keep the cost as low as possible. Making the other three factors of production into the something use of the often takes and creativity, and some risk must be associated for the future part of the actions. Enterprises is the factor of production that ties the other together. For example, someone has to decide what to name the soup or where to sell it, and then how much charge will be there, and what are the services which can be employed for those for that soup making exercise. So in that condition, selling price must be decided accordingly. For example, the land, farm cultivation, real estate, or the transport related business, that is considered as a part of a generating a business. In a part of labor, the kitch digging, building construction exercise, teaching, consulting, software developing, these are the part which are associated in the part of factor of production, whereby from the farm cultivation food can be prepared, from the household whereby in a professional or in a commercial way food can be produced, for the wealth use purpose, from the wealth use purpose, the investment which has been used in a real estate business, so that can be relevant to the part of the land also. In the part of wealth for the consumption, food for your table, a house for where you are living, wealth used for the production. In wealth here, the food used in a commercial purpose for a restaurants or for a hotels, and household things which can be produced by the people at your home. From the household things, rent is paid through the tenancy, and through the transport related thing, trucks or many other kind of the things must be relevant. Claims on a wealth, that a rupees of 100 rupees bill or the certified rupees of a share of a specific Reliance company, that is considered as a claim of a wealth. Economic model which are associated with the factor of productions are: economic use the economic model to explain the world around. B. The most of the economical models are composed diagram and equations. Next, the goal of the model is simplify reality in order to increase our understanding, and this is where the use of the assumptions will be helpful. Our first model is about the production possibility in a frontiers. For example, cost of the product while you are producing a product, at the how much unit that you are producing at that time. If the firm is producing 1 unit, so the cost of the product is a 15 rupees. When they are producing a 2, then cost of the production is a 29 rupees. Then 4, then cost of production is 52 rupees. Now total revenue which has been generated, a product of a 15 rupees which has been sold into the market in a 20 rupees. So in that condition, the total profit earned is a 5 unit. The respectively calculation is there. So here total profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. For example, for the price of a pen or a price of any product, here the manufacturing cost and other relevant costs are about to be 10 rupees, but if the selling price in a market, if they are selling on a 15 rupees, the profit which will be incurred is a 5 rupees. The average profit which has been incurred is equal to total profit divided by number of output. So the here in a fourth column you can say that first 4 is a 5, second one is 5 divided by 2 unit, it is 5.5, 18 divided by the 3 unit, it is a 6.6, and another one, that 28 unit of rupees of a profit divided by the 4 unit, it will be the 700 rupees from the 35 rupees profit, it is again divided by the 5, then it will be 7. So these are the part of the utility which has been included in the average profit earning. Now the marginal utility that earlier we had discussed, this is the add-on factor which will be there into the profit sharing purpose. For example, if the firm is producing a 1 unit, so they have a profit of a 5 rupees, but if they are producing the another unit in which the cost of production remain the same but the profit margin must be increasing. For example, marginal profit is 6 rupees, which will be generated between the difference of a total price total price of the total profit of the product is 5 rupees, the additional another unit which has been produced, through that they will receive the first marginal profit which is a 6 rupees. Then after, the difference between 11 rupees profit and minus 18 rupees, it would be 7. Then after, from the 28 it minus 18, it would be 10. From the 30 minus 28, it would be 7. From the 39 minus 35, it would be 7, and from the 39 minus 39, it would be 0. From the 35 minus 39, it would be minus 4. Here the marginal utility will not remain the same for the longer period of a time, or the marginal profit which not be relevant with the product for a longer period of a time, because every firm has a stage in which they have a starting point, then increasing point, then peak point or a maturity point, and then the saturation point. So here that would be the external factors of the product which are affected by the things. For example, competitors are increasing into the market, homogeneous products are increasing into the market, that would be affecting to the factor of production while they are producing the goods and services. So after the saturation period, every firm have a competitors, and the social policies affecting, political policies are affecting, and also the homogeneous and the clone product availability into the market. So the marginal profit utility will become in a negative. So these are the points which are included for the fundamental of the research. And now thank you for today's lecture, and if any queries are there, you may please contact to the respected department.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Vande Gujarat.